up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I am part of a November Giving Thanks collab. Now, I'm not really sure how many channels are involved with this collab, but I will make sure that I have links to all of the channels participating in the description box below. So please make sure that you check them out right after you're done watching this video. So to give you guys a little bit of a background of what this collab is all about, we're sending each other packages of goodies, and at least one item has to be fall or Thanksgiving themed in our little boxes. The rest can be whatever you want it to be. I know the package that I sent out to the person I had was mainly Christmas stuff, and I did include one fall thing. I tried to stay within the rules as much as I possibly can, and the limit was between $25 and $30, so I did the best that I could with the small budget that we had. But the person that I got in this collab was Ashley, and her channel is called Ashley Nunya, so please make sure that you check out her video. If you don't check out any of the other ones, please make sure that you check out hers, because I worked very hard on the things that I put in her box. Okay, guys, I will also have a giveaway as part of this collab, so make sure you stay tuned for the entire video so that you don't miss out on what it is I'm giving away. So the person who had me for this giveaway was Sherry, and her channel is called Single Mom Review. She is such a lovely, lovely lady, has a fantastic channel. If you guys don't know who she is, please make sure that you check her out. I'm really excited to see what kind of goodies she put in my box, so I'm going to stop talking, and we're going to get to opening this thing. Okay, guys, so here's my box. It's a little too big for me to throw up, but we both have P.O. boxes, so I can show it to you. Look, she has this great sticker on here, and honestly, I can't read it backwards, so I'm going to have to turn it around to read it. But it says, "Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished." So I'll take that as a note to myself, because I'm always in a hurry to finish everything, and I can't ever get anything done on time. I'm just saying. But she has this decorated just lovely, guys. This is so super cute. She's got all these stickers. She's got this lovely little label. I'm loving it. It's so awesome already. Okay, guys, let's pop this open and see what kind of goodies are inside here. Oh, it's so fun already. Look, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Now, Sherry did ask me what kinds of things I was into. I said anything that I can make something with. Superheroes. I am very easy to please. Honestly, you could go into the garbage and pick out some stuff, and I'm sure I can make something out of it. So I'm happy with just about anything. I'm just saying. All right, guys, there is a card on top here. So we're going to go ahead and start with this super cute card. It has the owls on the front of it. Love it, love it. Let's open this up and see what the card says. Okay, I think I got it all out of there. Okay, Amber, happy fall. I hope you enjoy all your goodies, a few decorations, a few personal items, a cow print makeup pouch. Oh, she's telling me everything that's in there. Space and... I can't wait. And a few artsy crafts items. I'm not going to say what that one was because I'm going to flip out. Sherry Hinman Single Mom Review. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, so I kind of spoiled some of the things, but I'm really excited about the one thing that was in there. I so can't wait. All right, guys, let's start digging in here. Oh, this is so fun. Look at this. Oh, you can't because I didn't show it to you. Look, it's like a splatter print makeup pouch. It's black and white. I love it. I love it. Love it. This is so super cute, guys. Let's pop this bad boy open. How fun. Yay. Definitely loving that. I love my, it's like, it reminds me of cows, even though it's not cow print. Totally reminds me of cows. All right, guys, let's dig into this next thing. Ooh, we have some fun pumpkin foam shapes. Look at that. Definitely can do some fun things with these for, probably fall. More likely I will do more fall stuff. It says that it's Halloween decor, but you could totally use it for fall or Halloween, and that will be something that I will do next year because the time has already passed. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. I wear headbands all the time now, guys, because it's just easier when I put my wigs on. Guys, look at that. I love it. This is so cute and so fall. It's like, I love this. Dude, this is going to be so super comfortable. Yay! I love it. That is awesome. Okay, where to go from here? Let's go here. Oh. What is happening? Oh. 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 That is so cute. Did she do that? Oh, look. Oh, it's like a little storage. How cute is that, guys? Look. It is so awesome. It's like it got got little pouches for me to store all my goodies in there. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, let me turn it to the back. Look, guys, all kinds of fun places to store my goodies, and she's already got some goodies in there for me. Oh my gosh, this is so incredibly cute and fun. I love it. Oh, this is so awesome. I'm really stoked. She's got all kinds of fun stuff. The little pearls fell out. Here's a little pack of pearls. Oh my gosh, guys, there's so many things I can do with all this stuff that she has in here. What a fun idea. I love that. That is so fun. Okay, I could just look at that for hours. So let's try to keep moving on here. Ooh, it looks like it's a false scarf. Okay, how do I open it? Because I want to take it out of the plastic. There we go. Okay. Ooh, yes. You guys, look at that. The print is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Guys, I was not a scarf person until Kel found a monthly. They definitely turned me into a scarf person. I would definitely wear this. This is so super pretty. I love it, love it, love it. I think I'm going to sit it over here so that this stuff doesn't like topple over. I only have so much space, guys. Wow, this looks like a lot more than $30. I really tried to stay within the limit. Oh, yes! So this is self-inking Batman stamps. Look at them, guys. I love it. Yes. Look, guys. Oh my gosh. So fun. Oh my gosh. The DIYs that are popping in my head are going to be phenomenal. Thank you, Sherry. So awesome. Oh my gosh. You guys, she nailed this package. Oh my God. And there's so much more stuff in here. Bugs Bunny and Friends. Oh, that is so fun. Look, it's a little DVD I can watch with my son or by myself. I'm just saying, I love me some Bugs Bunny. That is so super fun. Guys, I love all the old school cartoons. I miss those days so much. That is awesome. I definitely am going to watch that probably all the time. I'm just saying. All right, what's in here? Ooh, very suspicious package, all packaged up. No idea what's happening. Hold on, guys. I'm going to have to get some scissors for this one. I can't get it open the way that it is. But it's a good thing I was prepared. Oh my gosh. Okay, everybody, I'm just saying right now, turn the volume down because I'm probably going to scream. I'm just saying it's probably going to happen. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I can't. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I'm going to have to take them out of here, but they are Space Invaders glasses. Okay. We've got to move some of this stuff aside. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Do you guys remember Space Invaders? Was it not the best thing like ever? Oh my gosh. I don't know where she found these or how she found these, but she is freaking amazing. Guys, look at that. I don't know if you guys are really going to get to see it in this light, but it says Space Invaders in the front. And then if you flip it to the back, it says Game Over. Dude, these are such good quality glasses. I love them. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, wait, there's one more. Oh my gosh, I can't with this. And I'm totally keeping the box. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh, I don't know if you guys are going to see them in this light. I'm going to take pictures if it looks funny, but it says Game Over on the back. But trust me, they are freaking amazing. Let me show you in the box here. This is what they look like. This is what was in there, you guys. Space Invaders. Guys, oh my gosh. I mean, I could just sit here and look at this forever. That is really exciting. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea how exciting that is. Okay, I'll try to keep it moving because there's more stuff in here, but that was friggin' awesome. Okay, ooh, how pretty. Oh, the possibilities. Look at this, guys. It's an apple, and it obviously will sit by itself like on a shelf or something like that, but I could totally put like a cool saying on the front of this. And look, we have some bling on the sides of it. How cool is that? Oh, the possibilities. Loving the apple. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh, look, we have a great big pack of pom-poms. Guys, there's so many things I can do with these pom-poms. I love my little pom-poms. These are going to be so great. Loving the Halloween colors. That is so super fun. Okay, now we have, it says Happy Pumpkin Spice Everything Season. Oh, look, guys, a couple of tea towels. Yay! Yay! That's awesome. You know what? I don't think I have any fall tea towels. So this gonna came at a better time because I can keep them up through Thanksgiving. I don't decorate for Christmas until after Thanksgiving. Although I would like to start earlier than that, but we're not going to get into that. Do what's best for kids. Alrighty dighty. It's like a postcard. How fun is that, guys? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it, love it, love it. That is awesome. Oh, so cute. Look at these stickers. I Cinderella Supplies. I'm going to have to check it out. It's an Etsy store, and it's a Happy Mail sticker that I can put on my friend mail packages. That is the cutest darn thing like ever, and I love that she got these from an Etsy store. That just makes my day. That is so awesome. I love supporting small businesses. That is so cool. What else do we got here? A bountiful Thanksgiving. Oh, that's so cute. I'm not really sure what the character is, but it is just darling. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Think that doesn't have any glare. Those are so super cute. Look at those stickers. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. Okay. What's in here? Should I open this up last? That's like the last package, I think. Oh, these pretty fall stickers. I wish I would have had this stuff when I was doing my fall DIYs, but I'll have them for next year, guys. So you'll definitely be seeing these next year. These are so pretty. Those are gorgeous. We're going to put them right there. And I believe that's everything. The rest is just lined with some bubble wrap, which I will reuse as well. And we have this mysterious box. Let's see what's in the mysterious box. Ooh. What does it say on it? Oh my gosh, they're pumpkins, but they have like letters on them. What do they say? Oh, these are so cute, you guys. I don't know what they say, but they are just darling, guys. Look at these pumpkins. We have a T and an H. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. This is going to look great on my hallway display that I have right now. That is so pretty. And then we have a couple of other ones, guys. We have an R. Oh, gather. It spells gather. Here's the R. It took me a few minutes, guys. I am a smart person, but you wouldn't think so by that. So we have a G, and the whole thing spelled gather. Then we got two more in there. That's what it is, guys. It spells gather. Wow, Sherry. Ah! This was awesome. Okay, I just got to say, I normally don't pick a favorite thing, but those Space Invaders glasses were freaking amazing. I don't have much Space Invaders anything. It's really hard to find that kind of stuff. So if I want it, I kind of got to DIY it. So the fact that she found something so super cool is just amazing. Sherry, you are amazing. I can't say thank you enough. All this stuff is so super cool, and I can't wait to DIY with the stuff, put these awesome glasses in with all of my other geeky stuff. Sherry did an amazing job, guys. Please make sure you check out her channel. She is a really awesome lady. She does some super fun stuff on her channel. She does do a lot of collabs, and that way you guys will get to learn about other channels as well. So make sure that you guys check her out. I will definitely have her linked, as well as everybody else who was part of this collab, in the description box below. So please make sure you check out everybody's videos right after you're done watching this one. And don't forget, make sure you check out Ashley's video, because that is who I sent my box to, and I did hand make every single thing in her box. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into what I'm going to be giving away and what the rules are for my giveaway. Okay, guys, as always, before I go over the items that I'm going to be giving away, I want to go over some of the major rules for my giveaway. First and foremost, YouTube is no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. This is 100% on me. I am the sole sponsor of my giveaway, and I will be giving away things that I purchased with my own hard-earned money, okay? Second, you must live in the United States to participate in this giveaway. This will not be open internationally. You have to live in the United States or have a United States postal address. And third, you must be publicly subscribed to all of the channels involved in this collab in order to qualify for my giveaway. You don't have to enter their giveaways as well. You just have to be subscribed to their channels in order to qualify for my giveaway. Those are the major rules for my giveaway, guys. I will have a full set of rules in the description box below. Please make sure you check that out before you enter my giveaway. Okay, guys, so what am I giving away, right? Well, this time I am going to do a mystery Christmas box of goodies. I am not going to show or like go over any items or anything like that. Just know that it's going to be handmade goods that I have made with my own 2 hands. And I'm going to be including just a bunch of different things that are Christmas themed. So if you're not into the Christmas, decorating or Christmas kind of thing, then you probably won't want to enter my giveaway. All right. So it's going to be a Christmas themed mystery box from me, custom made, handmade stuff, not custom made for you. Just a custom-made box of my handmade goods, okay? Because I can get that ready to go and ship it out on time because poor debutante is still waiting for her box, and I'm not even going to get into that, but she's going to be getting it very soon. Okay, guys, so this giveaway is going to run from today, November 1st, all the way through November 15th. I will be announcing the winner via electronic picker on November 16th. All right? I think that covers everything for this video. And again, guys, please make sure that you check out all of the other channels involved with this collab. I will have links to their channels in the description box below. That's all I got for you guys this time. A huge shout out and a big thanks to Sherry for sending me such an awesome box of goodies. She couldn't have done a better job. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you next time. Bye! Now, I really don't know how many channels are involved with this collab, but I will have links to all of their channels. No, to all of the channels. I'm reading the text. As we're each sending each other packages of goodies and at least one Thanksgiving fall themed thing in each box. I need to think more. Hold on. What's up, gorgeous? My lights aren't on. Hold on. So please make sure that you check out everybody's videos right after you're done watching my video. So as part of this collab, I was good until then, but like I feel like my shirt's messed up and let's try it again. Darn it. So make sure you check out Ashley's video. If you don't check out any of the other ones, please make sure you check out Ashley's. I worked very hard on her box. So the limit was, I was good until then. Hate it when I mess up like that. So just to give you a little background of what this is about, what we're doing is we're sending each other packages. And like I have Ashley Nunya, and that's the name of her channel. Okay, hold on. How do I say this? Oh my gosh. And her channel is called Single Mom Review. She is such a lovely, lovely lady. I can't wait to see what kind of goodies that she put in my box. So I'm going to stop talking. No, I'm not. I need to talk about a giveaway. Darn it. Okay, guys. So for my giveaway, okay, hold on. Nope. This is 100% on me. I am the sole sponsor of my giveaway, and I'm using things that I purchased with my own hard-earned money. That doesn't work. And I'm not going to show you what those things are going to be because I don't know at this time. But I promise you, by the time it's time for me to get the box ready to send out, everything will be ready to go. So, shoot, hold on. First and foremost, YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. I am 100% the sole sponsor of my giveaway, and I will be using, no, not using, shoot.